In this video, we will show the best hair clippers available to buy. At number 10, Hattaker Nose Ear Hair Trimmer Clipper. At number 9, Andis Easy Style Hair Clipper. At number 8, Dealshore Kemei KM1027. At number 7, Havells BC1001 Rechargeable Baby Hair Clipper. At number 6, Andis Ultra Clip Hair Clipper. At number 5, Kemei GM1011 Professional Hair Clipper. At number 4, HANUMEX Professional Hair and Beard Clipper. At number 3, Concepta Kemei KM1027 Hair Clipper and Trimmer. At number 2, Kemei KM809 Professional Rechargeable Comb Electric Hair Clipper. At number 1, Wahl 9243-4724 Home Cut Complete Hair Cutting Clipper. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.